The role that armed unmanned aerial systems play in the battlefield increase daily. Turkish UAVs set an excellent example of it. They had a significant role in Libya and Nagaro-Karabagh. Their success in Ukraine dominated the first weeks of the war in Ukraine. The United Arab Emirates defense company Abu Dhabi Autonomous Systems Investments (ADASI) unveiled the mock-up of an unmanned combat aerial vehicle named Jeniah UCAV. The company states that the UAV will have artificial intelligence for decision-making, but it does not specify whether the AI is for navigation or assault missions. According to the company's statement, the Jeniah project results from the UAE-based company's 3 years of research and development efforts. However, the company has yet to reveal when the UCAV will fly for the first time. The Scramble magazine claimed that ADASI got help from engineers from South Africa after their company closed. Jeniah is designed with stealth characteristics to carry out ground attack missions deep into enemy territory and to provide anti-access, area denial, A2/AD systems to control access. In its combat missions, Jeniah can operate individually or fly formations in groups.